about your overall deal at HBO? I mean, what sort of series are you going to be developing with them?
Oh, I have some ideas for some pretty cool new series. I can't spill them here on television here, but there'll be dramas. I'm not a comedy guy, so it'll be 1 hour drama shows. I have an idea for science fiction show, a couple historical kind of base. I know HBO does great historical dramas and from various different periods, and we'll see. We'll see which ones they like and want to develop. Development is always sort of a crapshoot. You pitch your ideas, you roll the dice, and you see what go ahead. The tricky part for me is I have to find another David Benioff and Dan Weiss because while I can come up with the ideas and create the concepts for the show, at the moment I'm not in a position to write them because I have to have 3,000 more pages of the books to write. And that has to remain my first priority. So it's a bit of a juggling act for me.
There have been rumors of a Game of Thrones prequel series. Any validity to that?
Well, I have been writing for a number of years a series of novellas set in the same world, in the world of Westeros, but 100 years earlier, about two characters called Dunk and Egg. And I've published 3 of those novellas, The Hedge Knight, The Sworn Sword, and The Mystery Knight. And I have in mind about 9 or 10 more novellas about the adventures of Dunk and Egg. So we have been playing with the idea of doing those, as prequels. They would be prequels in a sense. They're 100 years earlier, but in the same world. They're somewhat lighter in tone than the main series, a little more adventurous. But my fans love them, and I love the 2 characters too. So, and it all ties into Westeros history. So maybe that will be what we'll do. We'll see.
That's something that you guys have been talking about in terms of a series.
Yeah.